Hey, what's going on? All right, so this video, I know I just did one earlier this morning. Got back from the gym for a little bit ago, and I decided to help everyone who wants to take their vision, their dreams, their desires, and say who have said that this year I want to make a change. I want to do this. I want to not do that. And so I know for the lack of vision, but a lack of knowledge as also. So I want to give you what I know of what I've been doing and the lessons that I've learned to help you down this path of success. Whatever success is for you. Whatever success is, let it be financial, let it be health, let it be relations, and so on and so forth. So I want to give you some things that, like I said, that I've been using for years and years and years, and it helped me and it helped others out there in all of my counseling. And so, yeah, so let's get into it. There's one, two, three, three things that I want to talk to you. First thing, okay, so you have a vision. This is the first thing. You have a vision, you have a desire. This is what I want. You have to put it on paper. Okay, so the first thing, let's walk through this. The first thing is a vision board. Okay, so in my mind, I already know the end result of what I want. Okay, the end result. Now, the reason you have to put it on a vision board is because your mind plays tricks on you. Okay. So when I'm thinking of this, okay, my mind thinks now, and I'm thinking straight line. I'm thinking straight line to that. Okay. I'm thinking straight line. So it's a trick though. You if you don't understand that process, how the mind works, you're gonna get frustrated and you're gonna quit. Okay, so the idea is you have to take what's in your mind first and then put it on paper. I don't care if it's a watch, I don't care if it's a house, I don't care if it's money, I don't care if it's a relationship, your kids, education, it doesn't matter. Just put whatever you want this year, put it on the board, and so it's taking it out of your head and straight line putting it here. That's step number one. If you do that, I promise there's a psyche behind doing that. Okay, so here's my door where I come in. Now let me turn you around. That's the very first thing I see when I walk in my office. Okay, so every day that I come to work, I'm seeing this. Okay. Now, earlier, the last video I said is, why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because my why is I want a relationship. Now I'm a lion, so I need a lioness. I want a house that I can retire in and enjoy. I want to continuously travel right here. I want to have and continuously have a nice relationship with my kids. And I want to have successful businesses right there. So my want, now my why. Well, why? I want a relationship. That's my why. That's why I do what I do. I have a certain lifestyle. This is what I want. Okay. This is my lifestyle. A relationship, house, travel. Okay. So that's what I want. That's my why. That's why I do what I do. Okay. So give yourself a why. Second, this is the second thing. A book. Let's talk about a journal. Let's talk about it. Put you back here. Okay. So a journal does a lot of things. But one thing it really does, it organizes your thought process. We are too busy. We are too busy in life. And there is no way in hell that you can keep everything day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, organized. It is impossible to do that. If you got work that's stressful, you got a relationship that's stressful, kids is running around the house, and you still want more stuff. Okay, so this is what we have to do. You have to get a journal. Now, in psychiatry, it says put your emotions on here, talk about it. Fine, okay, you can do that. But this one here is more of a checklist of everything I want to do per day. Okay, think about it. So today, I have a checklist of what it is that I want to accomplish. Then every day, as I do it, I'm checking it off. Okay. Then at night, I'm taking whatever's left over and I'm putting it on the next page. And then I'm going to wake up and I'm already going to have my list of everything that I want to accomplish for that day. So each page is a day of activities. Okay. Each day. And as you find out, as you see, every thought you have of substance, every idea that you have, every vision you have, you're driving and you have this vision, I need to write it down. Every dream that you have, you write it down. Every idea that you have, you write it down, because you'll find out, looking back, as you look back, you'll find out, wow, I've done a lot and I'm kept myself in order. The journal is one of the ways that you keep your contacts, your ideas, you put everything in a position. Now, what does it do? It takes your brain wave. So you're thinking, forgetting, all of that, and then you streamline it right there. So a journal is awesome in its context, but use it the right way of not just putting and expressing your emotions, but it also puts in your goals of the day. Journal your day. Okay, let's go to number 3. I need my drink. So no, I did not go out, and this is tea. Honey tea. So while everyone else is out, I'm at the office working. All right. So number 3, get a whiteboard. Get a whiteboard. You have to get a whiteboard for various reasons, but here's what I do. I have 2 whiteboards. I have one over there, and I have this one by my desk. Okay. The whiteboard puts down everything, every business, every lump sum. It lumps it up. Business, my body business, and another company over here, my book that I just finished right there, another company that I'm taking public, another company that I'm working out right there. So the whiteboard takes my ideas from my day-to-day activities in my book, and then this is my whole process of what I'm trying to accomplish. Then I just organize it, and then I check it as it goes off. Now, so I have that whiteboard for the companies, and then this whiteboard you'll probably see in my other areas. This is my whiteboard that I do for instructions. If I have a thought process, I'm actually mapping it out here. If I have an idea of a business, I'm putting it over there. And then every single day, let me go back over here. Every single day, I put a journal and I write down everything that I need to do. I can't tell you with this journal, this whiteboard of everything you want, and a certain kind of, you can use this board. Instead of doing a board, you can actually use paper. Just write it. You don't need that board. You just put it on paper and then journal the day-to-day activities. What is it that you want to do? And I can't tell you, if you do that, you'll be surprised at what you can accomplish. The last thing that I want to talk to you about in this first step of success, because this is first step, even though it's 4 things, the reason it's first step is because without these 4 things, you're not going to make it. And I'm not talking about ego or nothing. I'm talking about evidence. Military taught me about the journal. Officers, because they're so overwhelmed when they get out of the school. So you have to have a journal. Put it on the board. It keeps my mind on it and everything, so on and so forth. Okay. The fourth thing, time. Time is very valuable. Time is very valuable. Time is so valuable that every day you wake up, I want you guys to realize this. Every day you wake up, you're getting closer and closer to death. Everyone is going to die. Steve Jobs had the Apple, died. Other people died. Friends died. Relatives died. Family members died. My mother passed away 2012. My dad sick. Look, everyone is going to die, including me. So when I die, and I don't know when I'm going to die, I want at least that somewhat completed. If I can get at least that completed, if I can do the business over on my board completed, if I can help people down the path, then that's worthy of dying and being comfortable of death. So in light of knowing that we're going to die, you have to take time and utilize time very valuable. The value is not the money. Whoever told you time is money is bullcrap. They don't know what the hell they're talking about. Time is not necessarily money. Time is valuable because it's life. It's life. Time is life. And 8 hours a day you sleep. When you sleep, do you not realize your body is healing itself, I should say? Time is very valuable. So hence this. If I work 120 hours a week, just say 100. If I work 100 hours a week, meaning when I come to work, boom, I start. When I leave, it's probably roughly around 10, 11 o'clock at night. In between, I'm taking afternoon cat naps. In between, I'm going to work out. But think about it. If I'm working 100 hours a week, in 4 months, I can do what an average person does in a year. So if you take that theory, that understanding, that mathematical equation of time, and you say, well, when I wake up, I'm going to wake up as early as I can. I'm going to go work out, or I'm going to study, or I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to watch TV. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to listen to some music while I work out, but I'm not going to listen to TV. I'm going to take all the people that doesn't mean anything to me, who's not helping me achieve that, you're going to get rid of. Just like, don't call me, I'm busy. I'm really like long-term busy. Don't call me. People who just doesn't make no sense at all in trying to help you. And in that context, the time you spend 2 hours watching a game, 2 hours doing this, an hour watching that, an hour this, an hour that. If I'm on computer, if I'm on YouTube, I'm researching. Most of my time, I'm researching, learning how to do this, how to do that. Then I do it. Time. If you spend time on your vision board, if you spend time on your whiteboard, for me it's my whiteboard, if you spend time on your journal, and then you utilize the time very valuable, it is just a matter of time, literally, And if it's a matter of time, you can do a year's worth of time in 4 months than a typical person does in a year. How faster can you get what you want? Okay? So let's think about it. Sorry about that. So step number 1, get a vision board. Get it out your head, print it out. Don't worry about the how am I going to do that. Just worry about why am I doing what I'm doing, what I want. Put it on a vision board over there. Step number 2, get a whiteboard and map everything you want out. Business ideas, a thought process, real estate, education. It doesn't matter. What is it that you want? So whatever I have over here, this is going to help me get that over there, my vision board. Everything on this board helps me get closer and closer to that. All right, number 3, get a journal. A journal writes everything down. Every day you wake up, you should have a checklist in your journal, a checklist on what you're wanting to do today. Every day. Look, let me tell you something. Every day this is already filled. I just pulled that out because I had something to do. Here's another one. Let me tell you something. Every day, here's another journal. I got this one right here. Filled. That's another journal. Done. Let me show you another one. Over here. Another journal. Done. Here's another one. Oh, I'm actually working on this one right here. See? Every day is a journal. You write stuff, a checklist down. Everything you want done down. And then just enjoy life. Time, though. Make sure you use your time very wisely. 100 hours that I work compared to you working. I'm doing what you do in 1 year, I'm doing in 4 months. So is it, with that understanding of time, is it not possible to get 2 PhDs? Is it not possible to write a book and run a business? Is it not possible, right? Now, what's being sacrificed? What's being sacrificed? A lot. My journal is my communicate. I communicate more with that journal than I do people. If I do talk to people, I'm helping them. My relationship is not so well, but I know what I want. All right, so that's all I got for today on the first step. Now, for those of you who are in a relationship, let me see over here. Yeah. This is what I'm going to talk to you guys about. Oh, it's backwards. The 5 love language. I'm going to break this down. We're going to talk about this for husband, wives, boyfriend, girlfriends kind of deal. This right here is going to help communication, because in all things, trust and distrust, love, expressions, all of that, communication is the key. So we're going to talk about the 5 love languages for husband and wife stuff. And yeah, so I'm here, relax, taking it easy. Gonna go to work. Enjoy your day. Happy first day. So listen to what I say. Just trust me. And we'll go on to the next stage later. All right, this is Dr. Bagley. Have a great day and Happy New Year. Happy first day of 2021. And for some of us, want to change. We're going to change. I'm here to help you change with that change. And so if you have any more questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. And I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.